Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Chevy Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.